Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a question many of us have pondered: can a tablet truly replace your laptop? I spent a week putting the new iPad Pro M4 and the Surface Pro 11 through the ultimate test. My mission? To ditch the laptop completely and see if these tablets could handle all my work-related tasks. First up, let's talk about the contenders. The iPad Pro M4 is packing some serious power, and the Surface Pro 11, well, it's Microsoft's latest attempt to bridge the gap between tablet and laptop. Both boast impressive specs, but the real test is how they perform in the real world. So, what were my work-related tasks? I needed to handle emails, write documents, edit photos and videos, manage spreadsheets, and attend video calls. Sounds familiar, right? This is the daily grind for many of us. Let's start with the operating systems. iPadOS on the iPad Pro is incredibly smooth and intuitive. Multitasking has improved significantly, and features like Stage Manager help you manage multiple apps simultaneously. On the Surface Pro 11, Windows 11 felt familiar. It offers a more traditional desktop experience, which has its own advantages. Next, the applications. The iPad Pro shines with its optimized apps. Apps like LumaFusion for video editing and Procreate for graphic design are top-notch. However, the Surface Pro 11 has the edge, with full desktop versions of applications like Adobe Creative Suite, which provides more advanced capabilities. Accessories play a crucial role. Both tablets offer keyboards and styluses. Apple's Magic Keyboard and Pencil work seamlessly, with the iPad Pro providing a laptop-like experience. The Surface Pro's keyboard and slim pen also offer great functionality. During the week, I encountered challenges. Some tasks, like heavy video editing, were more efficient on the Surface Pro due to its powerful desktop apps. However, the iPad Pro's portability and ease of use were big wins. I found myself reaching for the iPad Pro for quick tasks and note-taking. In conclusion, can a tablet replace your laptop? The answer is it depends. The iPad Pro M4 excels in certain areas, particularly for creative tasks and on-the-go productivity. The Surface Pro 11 offers a more traditional laptop experience. For me, neither tablet fully replaced my laptop, but both came surprisingly close. If you prioritize portability and ease of use, the iPad Pro might be perfect. If you need the power of desktop applications, the Surface Pro 11 could be the better choice. Ultimately, it boils down to your personal workflow and the types of tasks you handle daily. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which tablet you prefer.